Okay, should I say 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is for the audio synchronization.
This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning authoring tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description.
But today we talk about how to get views on YouTube and how to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube fast with my tips and tricks. Okay, so this is a kind of new topic on this channel, right? Because normally we talk about video editing, about Filmora, and about software on this channel. But today I want to talk about new thing here, about how to grow a YouTube channel, how to get more views and subscribers on YouTube with my tips and tricks. Okay, so supposing that you are having a lot of things to do and you want to start a new YouTube channel and you don't know how to publish video on YouTube and how to get enough watch hour on YouTube, this is the right video for you.
Hi.
Okay, maybe after the end of this video you learn something about growing a YouTube channel, how to maybe find a topic and how to create a video that can get views on YouTube. Alright, I turn off my electric fan and put the microphone closer to my mouth so that you can have a better audio. Okay, I have no idea why I'm sitting just far away from you, so I have to put my microphone closer to me. So the first thing, number one thing you need to consider if you want to get views on YouTube is that you need to be on YouTube long enough. I mean, if you just set up a new YouTube channel and you publish some video and you think that many people will watch your video, but the reality is that nobody wants to watch your video. The first view, second views is yours, so you watch your video yourself. And there are some other views, but from your friends and your family when you send the link of your video to them. So that is the first thing you need to be aware of. I mean, you need to consider being on YouTube long enough to get views. So that is the story, because if you just set up a new YouTube channel, nobody know you. It's you like a child. So you have just present on earth. Your mother gave birth to you. You are just a child. Nobody know you, right? So that is the first reason why you don't get views on YouTube. So stay on YouTube longer, then you can get views. Okay, so set up your YouTube channel correctly. Target your audience, like optimize your YouTube channel, like the banner, description, and also handles, stuff like that. So make it correct.
Make your YouTube channel correct. Optimize your YouTube channel.
Okay, first thing, time. Second thing is about the topic. You need to find a topic that many people are interested in and many people are searching for. For example, if you make a video about Donald Trump, about what he is talking about trade war, about Elon Musk, about other things that is hot news on the internet, then many people will want to watch your video. For example, in my case, I can make the video about free screen recording software, free video editor, or free software that many people are searching for. Okay, and also about AI tools to generate image, AI tool to generate video, and also about hot chatbot recently that will make your video searchable, that can potentially get a lot of views on YouTube. So second thing, topic. So you want to find a topic, keyword explorer, stuff like that. You can use tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. So I have a very detailed tutorial on how to use TubeBuddy to find a topic on YouTube. You can watch it right here. Okay, so it will be here or here at the corner of the video. Okay, so second thing, topic. Next thing, this is very important to get more views on YouTube, is about your YouTube thumbnail. So maybe you don't know about thumbnail, but it is just an image in horizontal format, 16:9 aspect ratio, and less than 2 megabyte. You publish your video on YouTube, and then you can select a thumbnail. By the way, you need to verify your YouTube channel, verify your phone, and also verify your advanced feature of YouTube so that you can upload your own thumbnail. So thumbnail is the third important thing when it comes to views on YouTube. Okay, so you need to make a thumbnail that is impressive, contrast,
And
I think it should be big and bold so it make people click at your video, because when they search on YouTube or YouTube display your video to other people, I mean suggest your video to other people, the first thing they see is the thumbnail. So the thumbnail is important. It is even more important than the title of your video. Which is the next thing you need to consider. So write a good title. The title should be the thing that you are doing in the video. Do not just write something that is not related to the content of the video, because it violates the community guidelines of YouTube. Okay, so you have to write a good title, but it should be related to your video. Okay, last thing you need to consider is writing a good description, because the description of your video is the thing that YouTube will use for search. So if people search for something, it will see the metadata of your video, like the title and the description, and then they serve it to the people who are searching for a phrase or something on YouTube. So these are the things that we need to consider technically about your video, how to get views on YouTube, how to get more subscriber, more watch time, stuff like that. And the other thing is yourself. So you have to be patient to make video on YouTube. Make more video, then you can get more subscriber and more watch hour on YouTube and get more views on YouTube. Okay, and there's some small tips and tricks. For example, if you want to get more subscriber, you can consider to make short, because short video can get a lot of views and a lot of subscriber. But for me, I don't make short because it's just kind of funny thing, because we get a lot of views but the RPM for short is very low. So I just want to make long form video. It's better for me. I am not also good at make short message like or editing, stuff like that. So these are the most important thing on how to get views for YouTube. I hope you learned something here on this channel. And if you like the video, just hit the like button. And if you have any question about YouTube, about growing YouTube channel, about editing software, stuff like that, just ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. And now it's time to make the thumbnail.